The virtual presenter allows you to prepare and show a series of slides on VERT. This can be useful if you want to demonstrate several aspects of the treatment room or patient data within the software. Before you start preparing your slideshow, it's very important you make sure that you're using the correct LINAC model if you have a license that includes more than one, and you have the correct patient loaded. You cannot switch between treatment machines or patient when using Virtual Presenter. To show the Virtual Presenter pane, click on View in the main menu and then Virtual Presenter. The default position for the pane is on the left, but you can move it to wherever you prefer. To add a snapshot slide, click the camera button on the left. A snapshot slide remembers exactly how the treatment room currently is set up. It includes everything from the patient position and the room lights. Set everything up in the treatment room as you want it to appear, and this includes the contours and the surfaces, and then click on the camera button. If you click on the Camera Plus slide, this also remembers the exact viewpoint, position and angle. This is helpful if you want to recreate a specific point of view. You may sometimes find it helpful to add external images or videos to your slideshow. These can be added by clicking on the Media button. You can choose between an image or a video. Images must be in JPEG format, but these can be anything from photographs, diagrams, screen grabs, or PowerPoint slides. Video files are recommended to be in Windows Media Video format. After selecting an image or video, a dialog box will appear, which will allow you to select the files from your computer. When you click Open, they will be added to your slideshow. Slides can be navigated manually or using the playback function. During playback of a slideshow, snapshot or image slides will be displayed for 2 seconds by default. They will then move to the next. Video slides will play for the entire duration of the video. You can modify the duration of any slide by right-click, Edit Slide, then click Edit Duration. You can edit the number of seconds or click the checkbox manually. This will stop playback when it reaches this slide. You can then click on the next slide when you're ready to move on and click the play button. It is possible to export Virtual Presenter slides as JPEG images. Simply select the slide you wish to export, right-click, select Export Slide as JPEG images. You can select multiple slides by holding down the Control button and left-clicking on each slide, or hold the Shift button and select a range of slides. To export high-quality screenshots from VERT, you can use File, Export Bitmap. This allows screenshots to be saved as either JPEG images or BMP format. The Export Resolution drop-down can be used to increase resolution of the screenshot. By default, the image and video slide will occupy the whole screen. However, they can be resized and repositioned to be displayed in a corner or across one side. To change the layout, right-click on the slide, Edit Slide, Edit Layout. This option is only available for videos and images. In the position box, the arrows can be used to pin a slide to a corner or a side. The size box, you can specify how big you would like the slide to be. Scale to fit displays the image in the largest possible size. If the image has different proportions to the window, a border will be added automatically. You can specify if this border is visible or not by using the checkbox, and you can also change the colour. Scale to percentage fit will scale the image down to be the percentage of the window. Scale to crop fit will allow the image to be scaled and cropped completely to fill the window. And stretch to fit, the image will be stretched to completely fill the window. For video slides, you can adjust the volume that they are played at. To do this, right-click on Virtual Presenter and go to Edit Slide. Click Edit Volume. To delete a slide, left-click on the slide you want to delete and click the Delete button. You can delete multiple slides by using the Control key and left-clicking on the required slides. To rename a slide, click on the slide you want to rename, then double-click. Once you have renamed, press Enter to save it, or you can press Escape to revert back to the old slide name. To reorder the slide, left-click and drag to the required position. Release the mouse button when the slide is in the new position. When you are ready, you can save your slideshow. This allows you to show or edit it at a later date. Select the Save Slideshow button. A Save As dialog box will appear. Select where you want to save it, name it, and click Save or OK. To open a slideshow, open the correct patient which the slideshow was created on. Click the Open Slideshow button, find the file, and click Open. To clear the entire slide list, click New Slideshow. If you have embedded pictures or videos when saving the Virtual Presenter slides, select File Type as Slideshow Files Packed. This will make it easier to share with colleagues or transfer onto another computer. You can loop a slideshow presentation by right-clicking on the slide and selecting Loop Slideshow. Virtual Presenter slideshows are associated with a particular plan and LINAC. It's the one that they are created on. You must ensure you have loaded the correct plan before attempting to load a slideshow. You can manually navigate through the slides by clicking on the next slide on the Virtual Presenter panel or using the up and down keys on the keyboard.